Good evening to one and all. So today in this video we are going to discuss about Delta Corp share. So in this video we'll discuss the complete technicals as well as the fundamentals of the stock. So watch the video till the end to not miss any update on this. And in this video we'll see the entire business of the company. We'll also see the shareholding. We'll also see the future prospect of this company, and we'll conclude the video with excellent technicals. Okay. So people who have not yet subscribed to the channel, so subscribe the channel to not miss any latest update on any share. Okay. So if you see the overview of the company, you can see that the current market price of this company is around 90.70, and you can see the market cap is around 2400 crores, and if you see the PE, okay, is around 13.24, and if you see the industry PE is around 43.19. So you can say that the company, okay, is almost available at a very low PE as compared to its industry PE. Okay, so can we say that it has a very bright future? Yes, we can say that it has very good future, because the business into which it is there has a very good future. We know that Delta Corp not only it's into real estate, but it's also into hospitality, and it is also does it's also into gaming. We can say casino, you know that Dream 11, MPL. So into such sort of business, not that but some same similar sort of business where people put initial investments and okay, they play games to earn money. Okay, so that sort of business is also there for this company. So we know that till greed is present in each and every human being, such sort of business will always exist, and they will earn good profit out of that. Okay, so this is the basic thing, and if you see the book value of the share is around 72.26. okay, so next, if you see the shareholding of the company, you can see that okay, the promoters are having almost 32.77% stake. And one thing is that pledging is there, and pledging is slightly increasing if you compare it with quarter on quarter. Okay, before it was 4.96, later 6, and now it's currently at 11.26. okay, and if you see the FIS holding has also slightly decreased, and if you see insurance companies have increased their stake, and if you see mutual fund holding has increased with 4% as compared to quarter on quarter. Okay, so this is a good thing that mutual fund holding is increasing. So we need to focus on these type of shares. So only one negative thing is that it has a little bit of a pledging. Okay, and if we see the major, we can see that major investors like Rakesh Junjunwala as well as RK Damani, they are also invested in this company. Okay, so that's why the stock was almost rose from 53 to again 90 rupees, from its 52-week low to current market price 90. But the movement is not that great, we can say that. So the movement has yet not come in the share, so we need to find out the levels where we can enter in this share. So if you see the returns of this company, you can see that in 1 week it has almost given positive returns. In 3 months also it has given 19.97 returns, and if you see in 1 year it has given negative returns. Okay, in other all 6 months and 1 month also it has given negative returns. We know that even during this coronavirus period, okay, most of the real estates were drastically down, so even this company reported losses in its results. So that was normal because of the coronavirus effect, but the future prospect of this company is very high. Okay, so next, if you see, I told that it's also into gaming and it's also into hospitality. Okay, so you can see Delta Corp is the only listed company engaged in casino. Okay, okay, live electronic and online gaming industry in India. So this is the only company which is into casino. So we know that casino is like an addiction where most of the people come and they start putting money, so they feel that they can earn a good amount of money. So that sort of thinking people are having, and this type of greed will continue till we have wish of earning huge amounts through gambling. So that's not right, but people have that sort of thinking. So what we can do, so we need to focus on these type of shares, okay, which give huge profits to the company and in turn will give us good returns in future. And if we see in hospitality also, it has a major concern. So we need to see these type of shares where these regions have a very crucial role in the coming years. So next, if we see the quarter results, we can see the company has reported a consolidated sales of 180.93 crore, down 11% from last quarter sales of 205.13 crore and down almost 11.43. Okay, sales, so sales and profit after tax, everything has dropped for this company. You know that because of the real estate segment and everything was down due to this corona period. Okay, so because of that it has reported losses. Next, if we see, okay, we see, I told that Rakesh Jhunjhunwala and also RK Damani, they are also invested in it. So you can see that they have RK Radhakrishnan Damani has 1.17% stake, whereas Rakesh Jhunjhunwala and also his wife, both of them are invested in the company and they're having 4.24% stake and 3.14% stake respectively. Okay, they have major chunk of shares in this company. Okay, so our main aim is that we need to focus on the business of the company and we need to see the future prospect. Okay, once we're satisfied with that, then we can enter in this stock. So next we'll see the levels of this company. So next, when we see the levels of this company, so when I show you this in 1 week chart, so we can say that currently it is completely in a range. Okay, you can see the major levels are around 99.67 and 49 point, 49.76. So these are the two levels between which the current stock is trading. So it's completely in this particular range. So even the money flow index is suggesting that the stock has not yet given momentum. Okay, and the momentum may come in the coming days also, so possibility is there. So we need to focus on this. So once it break out that 99 level, then huge momentum will come to the stock and it will start bouncing back. So what we can see in 1 day chart, so in 1 day chart also we can see that you can see a support at 83. Okay, you can see a support at 83 and similarly same resistance, that is 99.67. So when you get a chance to invest at 83, you should not miss the opportunity. And similarly, when it gives a breakout from 99.67, then definitely you need to start investing in this company. So I've discussed the entire business prospect as well as the shareholding of the company. So focus on these two levels and start investing in small quantity. Okay, so even in this you can see the money flow index is almost in between. Okay, and it has not gone to the overbought region also. So more momentum is possible for this stock and we need to invest in the stock and wait with patience. Okay, if you want any update regarding this share, so I'll put all the updates in community section. Okay, for that you need to subscribe to the channel. Okay, next video we'll discuss about another recommended share in the comment section. So until then, take care, bye bye.